Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to convert digital surface model DSM into Lidar point cloud and import it to the Autodesk Recap 360, just like what you are seeing on the screen. So these are point cloud data for a particular project site. It's an institutional facility captured with a drone. So I'm just going to show everyone on how to use the global mapper to convert the digital surface model into Lidar point cloud. So in case you are having a drone that does not have a Lidar payload for Lidar data capture, you can actually convert your DSM into Lidar point cloud and import into any AutoCAD packages. So let's just get started. Alright, so I'm just going to close the whole of this work drawing, and this is the raw data here. This is a DSM. So you come to your global mapper, you click on it, you right click, then you click on open. So the global mapper is the subsidiary application that will aid the conversion from DSM to Lidar point cloud. So this is global mapper pro. You click on open data files, then you navigate to the folder where you have your DSM. Alright, so you can also convert DTM depending on the primary data you have, but in the course of this video I'll be converting DSM to point cloud. So you select your DSM, then you click on open. So there we go, and you can see this is a digital surface model, and it has bring out all of the data we captured with the drone. And the next thing to do, alright, after importing your DSM data into the global mapper application, you select the DSM file under the layer here. After you select it, you right click, then you scroll down to layer, then you navigate to export layers to new file. Then you click on this drop down. In case you are seeing something else, you scroll down to Lidar LES file. You select that. So this is a readable format by Autodesk Recap. Then you click on OK. So you are going to see all of these options here for LES options. In case you want to save color value for each point from point or raster, check that. Alright, but if you don't need that, you uncheck it. But I'm going to save color value for each point. Alright, then you can see the TT options. Leave this as no tiling on default. Export bounds, leave it because I need all of the DSM to be exported, so I'm not cropping any part out. So you just come back to general and leave every other thing on default and click on OK. So you are now going to save your point cloud. You need to rename it, so I'm just going to call this p_cloud, that is point cloud. Alright, so the extension is .les, which is readable by AutoCAD Recap. Then you click on save. So it will automatically start converting your DSM to point cloud. Right, so you just give it a little bit time, depending on how bulky your data is. So it is done converting. So when you are done converting your DSM to point cloud using the global mapper, you can now close the global mapper workspace. Then you open your Autodesk 360 recap here. Therefore, on your Autodesk Recap 360, you need to create a project file. So you click on Scan Projects. So I will call this point cloud. Then you should note the folder where you want it to go. You can define the folder where you want it to go, but I'm going to leave it on my YouTube folder. Then you click on proceed. After you create a project file, then you click on select files to import. Then you can now navigate to where you have your point cloud converted and saved in a folder from global mapper. So I have it here, so p_cloud. So you select the Lidar point cloud here that have been converted. Automatically it's going to read the LES file, because the LES file is part of the readable format that Autodesk Recap can actually read. So from Autodesk Recap you can export to other readable format by the Civil 3D like RCP or RCS, alright, as the case may be. So click on all supported formats, then you click on select your point cloud, and you click on open. So it's going to bring out the p_cloud there. Then you click on index scan. So therefore automatically to start loading under here to import your converted point cloud into the Autodesk Recap. So it's going to take a while depending on how bulky or how large your file is. So it's going to load and you will see 100% completely when it is done. So if you are a first timer on this channel with me, you can check under the comment section or the description of this video to see how to import data into the Autodesk Recap as a beginner, in case you missed out on any steps. So it is 3%, so I'm just going to fast track the video. So yeah, it is done importing the point cloud, and this is how it's going to appear depending on how your data is. So you can just refer back to the video on how I import point cloud into Autodesk Recap. You are going to see a full video on that. Alright, so when it appears like this, you navigate to this particular icon here. You don't need to click on it, you just hover around it to bring out other options. Click on orbit, then you can easily orbit and have a better view of the data set. Alright, so you can see it's so beautiful to visualize in Autodesk Recap. So these are buildings, alright, these are buildings all over there. So the beauty of importing into the Autodesk Recap is you can change the color ramp to different options by coming to this icon here, over to this color mode here. Then you can see RGB. This is the default format, as you can see already. Also you can see elevation. If you click on this option, it will change the color ramp to the elevation intensity or values, and also you can see intensity and you can see the normal. So let me just change to intensity. So this is the intensity based on the drone features. Alright, and I don't think this is actually too cool, so let me go with elevation. I think this is best. Alright, so this gives us a better idea of the site. So I'll just click on orbit and over around, and you can see. So the 26 meters, these are point of lower elevation, the red, and point of high elevation is 84 meter, and you can just have a better idea. The blue are actually within the range of 64.28 meters. So this is how to convert DSM to Lidar point cloud and importing into Autodesk Recap 360. Right, so if you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. So annotations can be done. Alright, if you want to measure distance between 2 points, click on distance, and we are going to activate the distance tools. Then you can zoom a little bit to the features of interest. So this is a building. I don't want to measure from here to here, and you can see it is 17.03 meters. Okay, So that is beauty of point cloud. Now choose to delete it by selecting the line, then click on delete. Alright, so this is how to go about that. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon and turn on your notification for more valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.